Hello and welcome. This is a drink called Hammock. Iced, carbonated, sweet cherry tea, blueberry pomegranate. First thing you gotta do is you get the ice cubes and you put them into a mug from this mini metal bowl. Then after that, you add in the tea bag of sweet cherry, and then you pour halfway into this mug, and then after that you pour in the blueberry pomegranate sparkling water into this mug, and then there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated sweet cherry tea blueberry pomegranate. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.